Are you struggling with the Praxis Core Writing 5723 exam? Text production, writing informative, explanatory text, fixing comma splices, identifying sentence fragments, and applying parallel structure? This video will help you understand exactly what to expect and how to approach these writing questions with confidence. Hi, I'm Selena, a Study.com test prep expert with 21 years of teaching experience. Today, we'll focus on how to strengthen your informative and explanatory writing skills, fix common grammar errors like comma splices and fragments, and master parallel structure, all essential for earning a high score on the Praxis Core Writing exam. Stick around until the end for helpful test-taking tips and strategies to boost your confidence and improve your writing performance. Let's dive in. Which of the following is an example of a sentence fragment? A. Todd went to the grocery store. B. Running is fun. C. Dance on Tuesdays. D. I am a human being. Or E. Rocky barked. Let's go through the process of elimination. A. Todd went to the grocery store. This has a subject, Todd, and a verb, went. So it's a complete sentence. B. Running is fun has a subject, running, and a verb, is. So it's complete. D. I am a human being has a subject, I, and a verb, am. So it's complete. E. Rocky barked has a subject, Rocky, and a verb, barked. So it's complete. The correct answer is C, dance on Tuesdays. This is a fragment because it doesn't tell who dances. It's missing the subject. Without a subject, it is considered a sentence fragment. Which sentence correctly uses a comma or commas? Please follow along to see where the commas lie in the sentence. A. He is going to the store to buy some groceries. B. She is studying for her final exams, but she is not worried. C. I need to study for my test because it is really important. D. I'm going to the park today. It is really nice out. A is incorrect. No comma is needed because to buy some groceries is part of the same idea. C is incorrect. The commas are unnecessary. They interrupt the flow of the sentence. D is incorrect. This is a comma splice. Two complete sentences joined incorrectly with just a comma. The correct answer is, she is studying for her final exams, but she is not worried. This sentence correctly uses a comma to separate two independent clauses, joined by a coordinating conjunction. But if the conjunction were eliminated from the sentence, either a semicolon or a period would be acceptable in place of the comma. Select the sentence that correctly uses parallel structure. A. The teacher advised studying hard to review the material and that they should get plenty of sleep. B. The teacher advised studying hard, reviewing the material, and getting plenty of sleep. C. The teacher advised to study hard, to review the material, and getting plenty of sleep. D. The teacher advised to study hard, reviewing the material, and get plenty of sleep. Remember, parallel structure means using the same grammatical patterns for words or phrases that are related or listed together in a sentence. It helps your writing sound smooth and organized. For example, she likes reading, writing, and drawing. A is incorrect. Studying, to review, and they should get are inconsistent. C is incorrect. To study, to review, and getting don't follow the same pattern. D is incorrect. To study, reviewing, and get are not parallel. The correct answer is B. All items in this series, studying hard, reviewing the material, and getting plenty of sleep, are written in the same form, demonstrating correct parallel structure. This indicates that each of the actions, studying, reviewing material, and getting sleep, is equally important. Which of the following is a sentence fragment? A. After the concert ended, we went out for dinner. B. The new teacher introduced herself to the class. C. although the weather was terrible? Or D, everyone submitted their assignments on time? A is a complete thought with a subject we and a verb went. B has a clear subject, teacher, and a verb introduced. D is a complete sentence with both subject, everyone, and verb submitted. The correct answer is C. A sentence fragment is an incomplete thought. Although the weather was terrible, is a dependent clause and does not form a complete sentence on its own. Now that you've worked through a few sample questions, let's break down what this part of the test is really measuring. The Praxis Core Writing 5723 exam, text production, writing informative, explanatory text, fixing comma splices, identifying sentence fragments, applying parallel structure, evaluates your ability to write clearly, organize ideas effectively, and apply standard grammar and sentence structure rules. In the practice questions, you saw examples of correcting sentence errors, maintaining parallel structure, and crafting well-developed informative and explanatory responses. The goal isn't just to fix grammar mistakes. It's to communicate ideas in a clear, organized, and professional way that demonstrates strong writing skills. Remember, paying attention to structure, transitions, and sentence flow will help you earn top scores on this section. For more practice, check out our Praxis Core Writing 5723 playlist. And for even more detailed practice, strategies, and customizable study materials, head over to study.com and check out our Praxis Core Writing Test Prep course. Those who use study.com boast a 92% pass rate. Our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of authentic practice questions, and short, targeted video lessons specifically developed based on the latest test updates. With our resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to the channel to get all the latest Praxis test updates. And please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and happy studying!